There's something profoundly satisfying about nurturing a seed into a plant. Witnessing the miracle of life unfold in your backyard or even on your windowsill is a truly rewarding experience. Home gardening offers a wealth of benefits, enriching our lives in ways that extend far beyond the dinner table. It's a journey of connection, to nature, to our food, and to ourselves. Gardening is a holistic practice. It engages our minds and bodies. It feeds us, heals us, and brings us joy. It's a tangible way to improve our health, our environment, and our overall well-being. Whether you have acres of land or a sunny corner in your apartment, the transformative power of gardening is within your reach. So, roll up your sleeves, dig in the dirt, and discover the magic that awaits. Let's explore the multifaceted benefits of cultivating your own little piece of paradise. The journey starts with a single seed. What will you grow? Gardening is a workout for both body and mind. The physical activity of digging, planting, and weeding provides a great form of exercise. It improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and increases flexibility. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Gardening is a powerful stress reliever. The simple act of being outdoors, surrounded by nature, has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve mood. Furthermore, spending time in the garden exposes us to sunlight, boosting our vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. By cultivating fresh, homegrown produce, gardeners have access to the most nutrient-rich food available. This direct connection to our food source encourages healthier eating habits and reduces our reliance on processed foods. Gardening empowers us to become more self-sufficient. By growing our own food, we reduce our reliance on grocery stores and the industrial food system. This can lead to significant cost savings, especially as food prices continue to rise. Beyond the economic benefits, gardening is an enriching educational experience for people of all ages. It teaches us valuable life skills, such as patience, planning, and problem-solving. We learn about plant science, ecology, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Gardening fosters a sense of responsibility and connection to the natural world. These values, once instilled, can ripple outwards, inspiring us to become better stewards of our planet. Section 4. Greener Thumbs, Greener Planet, Enhancing Beauty and Sustainability. Home gardens are miniature ecosystems. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to biodiversity and the health of our environment. By growing our own food, we reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting produce from distant farms to our tables. Gardening also allows us to control the use of pesticides and herbicides, protecting our health and the environment. It encourages composting, turning kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil amendments. Let's not forget the aesthetic benefits. Gardens transform ordinary spaces into vibrant havens. The sight of colorful flowers, the scent of fresh herbs, and the sound of birdsong create a truly sensory experience, enhancing the beauty and tranquility of our surroundings. Section 5. Small steps, big impact, bringing nature home, no matter the space. You don't need a sprawling backyard to experience the joys of gardening. Even a small balcony or a sunny windowsill can be transformed into a thriving green space. Start with potted herbs, grow tomatoes in containers, or experiment with vertical gardening techniques. If space is truly limited, explore community gardens in your area. These shared spaces offer opportunities to connect with fellow gardening enthusiasts, learn from experienced growers, and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Don't hesitate to visit local farmers markets. Supporting local farmers is another way to access fresh, seasonal produce while fostering a sense of community. Remember, every step towards a greener lifestyle counts. Start small, experiment, and find joy in the process. The rewards of gardening are plentiful and within everyone's reach. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Better You, Better Life for more inspiring content. And until next time, be blessed.